Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I am back with another summer try on haul featuring HALARA. I feel like it's been a minute since I posted a HALARA haul, and I have some new fun interesting things, and then of course I picked up my favorites in more colors. So without further ado, let's jump on in. As always, big shout out to HALARA for partnering with me on today's video to share with you guys some of my favorite things that I picked out from this month's haul. I will have my discount code on the screen, as well as all the exact links to the items that I mention in the description box down below for you guys to shop and check out. In every single HALARA haul, I'm pretty sure I always have some form of their athletic dress, and the little easy breezy or easy peasy, whatever it's called, the backless booty dress is my all-time favorite. I don't wear anything else when I go on my walks except for this, and I can prove it because look at that tan line, okay? I own these in more colors than I can count. I actually have a couple that I'm giving away to Scott's mom because I know she's going to fall in love with them as well. Like, I'm convinced. I'm like, these are the perfect dresses to look cute and be put together, but you're not sacrificing any comfort whatsoever and practicality. So these dresses are great to throw on because I used to wear like shorts and a tank top and on my walks, and then I just felt like it was too many layers. It was hot. I wouldn't want to change a sports bra underneath my tank. Like, it was a whole thing, and I felt like I had too much going on. With this, I get done with the gym, come on, throw this on, and go out the door and get on my walk. And it's obviously really easy. It's one piece, you're good to go. It has the built-in shorts underneath. It's got a phone pocket for your phone, but I'm a belt girl, belt bag girl, because I just like to have it all right here. It has little shorts, like I said, so your thighs aren't like chafing together, which I thought would be my issue. Not an issue. The other thing is, amazing for tanning, okay? These are comfortable, they're easy, they're quick, and they're so good, you guys. They're just so freaking good. I cannot say enough good things. I don't know why I didn't start wearing these for my walks like all the time, but now I'm hooked, especially when it's like 100 degrees out in Texas. Like, what else do I want to wear besides this? They're great. You are not just limited to your walking with them, obviously. So I got them this in this light blue, which I love. I love how they're coming out with more pastel colors. I feel like they have a lot of brights and they have a lot of neutrals, but I will pretty much get this dress in any color I see. I wear these all the time on my other vlog channel. I'll throw it up in the cards, and because they're always asking about them. Amazing, true to size, phenomenal. And I get the regular length. And then I also decided to get it in white. I can't believe I didn't have a white. I have the white in the tennis dress style that I really love, you know, the quarter zip. That's one of my favorite styles. I have it in white in that, but I don't have it in this. So again, I can't say enough good things. I've tried other brands' activewear dresses, and these just, they do everything. So love that I now have it in white and compare this with so many different things. It's quick to dress up too by throwing maybe like a button over shirt, especially if you're going into a restaurant and it's a little bit colder. It's nice to have something. So love this white. It's kind of more of like a warm tone white, not a cool tone white, not like a super like bright white, but I still am obsessed with it, and it makes the tan pop. So love that I have two more styles of my favorite dress added to my collection, because honestly, I can never have too many. I hang them on like a little hook in my closet because, like I said, I wear them every single day without fail. They're phenomenal. Another item that I got in another color, I featured this in my last haul, and I wore that previous color. It's like a dusty rose. I said if they came out with more colors, I'm gonna need it. I wore it on my road trip, and it was the best for the road trip. I loved how comfortable it is, but without feeling like there's too much stuff going on. It was easy. I wore a little white sports bra underneath that I also got from HALARA. They pretty much have everything you need, but I loved this navy color, which I believe is called Pico. I could be wrong, but I like the nice, easy, strappy details. I love that sort of like wider look at the bottom. I feel like it's very reminiscent of like barrel jeans or whatever. I think they're so cute, and it looks like that really popular brand that you've probably seen everywhere, and you would pay like 3 times the amount for it. I love how stretchy and just comfortable this is. Literally, I will wear this over sweatpants in my house. It's just comfy, it's cute. You look put together if you need to leave the house or run errands or whatever, but like for the road trip, it was perfection. And this material, I tried to explain it in the last one. It almost feels cooling because it's just so like light and breathable, very stretchy, and I love it. And I'm also loving their little logo that they're starting to put on all of their clothes, which I think is super cute. So happy I have that in another color, and we're going to New York at the end of August, so I'm probably gonna wear that on the airplane because it would be a perfect airplane outfit as well. Next, I tried out some pants from them. I'm always playing around with pants from them, but I've never really tried some of their like more dressier pants. I have a pair of corduroy pants that I love from them. I have some sweatpants, some palazzo pants, but these, so cute. Oh, I also have trousers. I have trousers. Okay, I have a lot. These pants though, like blew my mind. Okay, first of all, I'm a green girl. This green is stunning. It's like a, not an emerald green, but darker than a sage green. I should know because I'm obsessed with green. But the styling of these pants, if you're a corporate girl, like I want an office job, so it's just so I can wear these, but I still feel like these could be cute for like a nice dinner. I think if you're not wanting to wear like a skirt or a dress or something like that, I'm a very pant like girl. Like I just like to, I don't know, I like to have bottoms on. Really, Kelly, revolutionary. Anyway, it's got slight stretchy band in the back, but the front is just a front panel. These look very, very expensive on. I love the draping over the one leg. It gives like skirt, but in a very like polished way. This material, insanely stretchy, but also doesn't look athletic-y. I've said this a million times with HALARA. It is not an activewear brand. It is, when I think of HALARA, I think of comfort, I think of stretch, I think of everyday like material that you like to wear on your body, and they have things in every category for comfort. So they've got dresses, they've got shorts, dresses, I mean athletic dresses, they've got regular dresses, they've got pants. They have everything you need. If your goal in life is to be comfortable, they've got you. But these also just look so freaking chic, and I'm obsessed with them. With a little white boat neck tank, they look so much more expensive than they are, and they just would be the perfect little like office wear pant, and I'm obsessed with them, and I love the color. These I think I wouldn't say are like office wear. I mean, you could depending on where you worked, but these are more of like a breathable kind of just fun pant to wear if you're somebody who likes to just wear like plain white tanks. I am. White tees, I'm a white tee girl through and through, so having like a fun pant is something that I've been exploring more in my life, and I love these little like the details on the side are kind of, I don't know, fun. They're giving 70s, and I love this wrap waist that you can tie into a really pretty bow in the front to kind of just give yourself a little bit of waist definition. And it also hides some of the bungeeing on the sides. Even though they're super stretchy, they're meant to look like more of like a real pant. And then the legs aren't super like stretchy. They have a little bit of give to them, but they are so like breathable and thin that I feel like I could definitely wear these thin in a good way. Like they're meant to be very breathable and flowy. And the other amazing thing about these is I did not like steam these, and they don't wrinkle. Like normally pants like this wrinkle. I mean, there's a couple, but not like, you know, when you sit down in like linen pants, it's kind of that feeling that you would think that they would wrinkle like crazy. They don't, and these are just really freaking cute. Definitely out of my comfort zone, but I think they're really cute, and I love this blue color. Can we tell I have a blue theme going on? I loved that color so much I got these. Okay, these I think of when I'm just hanging around the house or running out to grab coffee, or just like a nice, I don't know, something different than like your yoga pants or your sweatpants. This has like a stretchy band at the top, crossed waist here. If you're a cropped kind of top girl, then you could wear this with a crop top and it would be really cute because you'd see the waist definition. I am more of a long length t-shirt kind of girl, so I wore a full length t-shirt underneath this and it still worked and was still super cute. But I do like the cross waist, so if you're comfortable wearing like a crop top, it's going to be more flattering. But I, first of all, love these have pockets. Okay, I need to be able to put my keys in my wallet if I'm going to run out for coffee. This is the same material as those other pants, very flishy, like are you kidding? That's the pants like all wound together. They're like so thin, but so breathable, and like, I feel like if they were to get wet, they would dry really fast. But I can just see how comfortable these would be thrown on with like a pair of clogs this fall, or just my Birkenstocks for the time being. I love this sort of rounded look to the leg. I feel like it's very flattering on the leg. And I feel like the light blue just goes with everything. You can pair it with black, you can pair it with white. I mean, other colors, but I would probably just pair it with black and white because I'm a neutral girl. But I thought this blue was really pretty and I liked the style of this pants. Again, not something that is totally something I would pick out all the time, but I'm happy that I tried them out and I think they're a really cute pant, especially leaning into as we're going into fall. I know we're not even in August yet, but it's soon, okay? And once that month is over, it's like fall. So I think these are a really cute pant to wear into the fall where it gets chillier here, but it's still hot. So a light, breathable weight pant will be perfect for the fall season. All right, you guys, so that is it. That's my little monthly roundup for July for HALARA. Again, if you guys have not checked them out, like, I don't know how many times I have to convince you. Like, do my tan lines of the fact that this is all I wear when I go for walks, like, prove to you how much I'm obsessed with their stuff. And using my code, they already have amazing prices, but using my code is gonna get you that extra discount to check out anything that you may have on your list. And I also, you know, I love something when I give it away to people because you have to pry that from my hands. Like, that's an extra wear I could have had during the week, but I'm willing to have somebody else try to fall in love with them as well. So again, big shout out to HALARA for partnering with me, and I would definitely say the hits from this, besides the dresses that I already have in the other colors, like, come on, I mean, that doesn't tell you. The navy jumpsuit, obsessed, and then those green pants, you need them. They're so freaking cute, especially if you're an office girl. I think you will love them so much. If you're a trouser, it's kind of an elevated trouser mixed with a skirt. I think it's so cute, and they have so many other colors as well. As everything, if you like something, HALARA has it in like every single color, okay? I love you guys so much. Thank y'all for watching, and I will see you in my next one very, very soon. Bye.